Beyond Silence is a workplace education program developed to move beyond the stigma and silence surrounding the mental health of healthcare workers. It's based on a decade of research, including interviews with healthcare workers, review of best practice evidence, and a systematic review of our programs. One of our main goals is to promote psychological health and safety in healthcare environments, including reducing stigma and increasing supports for workers who may be struggling, and ultimately increasing awareness of relevant resources and supports.
Beyond Silence program filled a gap that we had in managing people with illness. There's all kinds of programs in human resources for physical illness. Mental illness was not particularly recognized, and certainly there was very little in terms of a mechanism to handle mental illness. The absenteeism around mental illness is profound, and especially in healthcare, you don't bring your best self to work, and we have to do that when we're dealing with sick and vulnerable patients. With this, it's brought mental illness out of the shadows, and people have begun to realize that they can actually help their colleagues rather than just being frustrated with them. It's one of those things that it's overdue.
All of our leaders are healthcare workers who have personally experienced mental health issues and are trained to facilitate the program. We learned that people value the opportunity to share stories, explore new ideas and strategies that are directly relevant to healthcare work. Over 2 days of in-person training, you'll have an opportunity to not only build your knowledge and skills, but also to share experiences and network with participants from a range of healthcare organizations. You should come away with resources, ideas, and inspiration for how to create positive change in your organization.
In addition to the knowledge that you gain through taking the program, you actually become much more effective at helping others in any circumstance, whether it's at work or whether it's in the community or whether it's in your family. The more knowledge that we have, the more that we can assist others and ourselves. So you will come out stronger, and you will bring that strength back to your workplace. The workplace will benefit by becoming a much more compassionate place for all of us to be.
After the program is complete, you'll have an opportunity to participate in an online community of practice and have access to monthly webinars relevant to your day-to-day healthcare work. If you're interested, you can also register to become a peer educator trainer. The program is open to anyone who's involved in healthcare, whether you're in a clinical or non-clinical area, whether you're a frontline worker or a high-level manager. If you work in a small organization like a group home, long-term care home, or community clinic, you will actually have access to a reduced registration rate. To find out more about the program and to register for upcoming training opportunities, please see the PSHSA website.